In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Bit Index A.I software. Hi there, my name is Matthew, and in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Bit Index A.I software. Now, if you're like me, you're always on the lookout for new and innovative ways to make more money. And that's what this software promises to do. It's a brand new piece of software that uses artificial intelligence to help you make more money with your online business. So without further ado, let's jump in and inspect. Fintechs and cryptocurrencies are exploding in popularity across the world, which is why so many people are becoming traders. Trading cryptocurrencies isn't simple because it is a volatile market with no promise of success. If you want to be a crypto investor despite the dangers, the first thing you must do is locate a secure crypto trading platform where you can execute your regular trading activities. Still, it might be difficult to pick one among the several hundred platforms available. To decide whether you should use this Bit Index A.I, I will go through all of the basics with you in this Bit Index A.I review. As a result, Bit Index A.I pros and cons. We started by analyzing the advantages and drawbacks of Bit Index A.I, since this aids us in forming a better understanding and overall picture of its operation. After much study, we discovered that the following are some of its key benefits. It has an intuitive interface. You can find several hundreds of cryptocurrencies on this platform. It is suitable for both new and experienced traders. Bit Index A.I helps people see the bigger picture and make better decisions when investing. It is a web-based platform compatible with all devices and navigators. Although Bit Index A.I is a sturdy platform with several advantages to enjoy, it also has areas that need to be refined before becoming the finest crypto trading platform. The following are some of these aspects. Its fees are higher than other platforms on the market. The verification process can take a while to be executed. You need to pay an initial funding fee of $250. How does Bit Index A.I work? The VanEck Vector's Bitcoin ETN is a crypto trading tool that helps traders improve their daily trading activities and become top-performing investors in no time. It is one of the most sophisticated apps on the market, since it is simple to use and has assisted many individuals in becoming successful traders. Getting started on this software is simple because all you have to do is go to its website and fill out the registration form with the correct information. Then, before checking the 2 marks at the bottom of the page and submitting the form, please read through the app's privacy policy and terms of use. Once you've sent your registration form with all your information, you must wait for an account manager to call you. Every user on this app gets a personalized account manager to help them through the basics of their account and provide support and advice when executing trading strategies. The first thing this account manager will do is request that you provide a personal identification document and proof of residence to verify your account. This will allow them to confirm that you are a genuine person rather than a cyber thief or scammer attempting to join up for the platform. Then they'll ask you some questions about how you want to use your account and what it's for. After which they'll request that you deposit $250 to purchase cryptocurrency. You can choose from several payment options, such as credit card, debit card, PayPal, and crypto wallets. Once you fund the account, you're free to decide whether you wish to make trades through your account manager or use the platform. If you choose to go the latter route, we urge you to test its demo version since it will teach you all about its live trading platform and how to make profitable trades without putting your real money on the line. Bit Index A.I features. The Bit Index A.I is a fantastic platform for a variety of reasons. One of them is the many features it provides, making it suitable for both inexperienced and seasoned traders. These characteristics are wonderful for making your daily trading activities much simpler. Please keep in mind that before using any of these features, you must first get adequate information because there's no assurance. Nonetheless, after testing this platform, we discovered the following 4 excellent characteristics that may interest you. Great user experience. The Binance Exchange was created to appeal to any trader, even those who have never used a cryptocurrency trading platform before. As a result, the system's designers developed a simple user interface that allows anybody to access all of the platform's features and trading modes with ease. Once you use Bit Index A.I, you are going to discover it has a straightforward design, which makes it impossible for you to get confused during your trading activities. If you have questions, you don't need to worry, as every user of Bit Index A.I has an account manager to help them and provide them with timely advice about their investments. The Bit Index AI platform offers a vibrant community that established a real-time chat board, where you may pose any queries to thousands of professional traders. As a result, if something is wrong with your account, you'll most likely be able to locate an earlier response on the forum to address it. Demo version. Another significant advantage of Bit Index AI is the demo mode, which is another fantastic feature for many traders. This is wonderful for novices since it lets them to become accustomed with the platform's foundations and learn how to conduct trades before putting their real money into it. Not only that, but experienced traders may use this option to test out their strategies and ensure they perform before losing money. However, if they don't want to go through Bit Index AI's demo version or trade as soon as possible, they are always welcome to skip it. Wide cryptocurrency selection. The SDI platform also includes one of the most extensive cryptocurrency selections out there, as it includes hundreds of cryptocurrencies, including the most well-known currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as a slew of altcoins and lesser-known currencies. Therefore, this turns Bit Index AI into a fantastic option for traders who wish to expand their portfolios and get many crypto assets at fantastic rates. Make smarter decisions. The Quark Chain platform enables enterprises to turn their data into unique, personalized offerings. It gives all users access to up-to-date information on each crypto asset's current market behavior and trends. This allows them to follow in real time how each currency is performing, as well as tables and graphs that may help them assess whether or not it is a good time to buy or sell. Moreover, this helps traders create better strategies and make better decisions when investing in their preferred coins. Is Bit Index AI safe? We discovered Bit Index AI is secure to use because of our extensive study. Bit Index AI has sophisticated security measures in place, including end-to-end encryption, which will ensure that all of your data and money are safe from hackers or cyber thieves. Bit Index AI's verification process makes sure that no sketchy person can create an account, which is why only real and committed traders are part of Bit Index AI's community. However, keep in mind that when trading, there is no assurance of achievement, and all likely outcomes will be determined by a trader's knowledge and luck. You are responsible for keeping your password and secret keys secure so that no one can hack into your Bit Index AI account and rob you of your money. Fees. Many individuals think Bit Index AI is expensive, however, after examining all of its amazing features, it makes perfect sense to spend a little more than the norm. As a result, if you're prepared to make a bigger investment in your company's long-term prospects, Bit Index AI is an excellent choice since it is transparent and, however, keep in mind that some crypto asset has in-chain costs to consider while developing your investment budget. In conclusion, we believe Bit Index AI is one of the best choices for investors who are looking for a secure and easy-to-use platform. The company has been in the industry for a while and has gathered a wealth of experience that puts it ahead of many other exchanges. Bit Index AI is an excellent choice for individuals who want to trade cryptocurrencies and expand their portfolios. The platform is packed with features that both novice and experienced traders will find useful, such as a demo mode, up-to-date market information, and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies. Most importantly, Bit Index AI is a secure platform that uses sophisticated security measures to protect your data and money from hackers or cyber thieves. So if you're looking for a reliable and user-friendly platform to trade cryptocurrencies, we recommend you give Bit Index AI a try. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for notification.